Ego Depot of Clermont, your supreme resource and authorized dealer for electric bikes, scooters, and skateboards. Our LEVA-certified e-bike mechanic always focuses on safety. Our Light Electrical Vehicle Association, certified mechanics, employs skill, knowledge, and manufacturer standards for a thorough repair every time. We also offer a complete assembly service. No matter where you purchase, we can assemble to manufacturer standards. Ego Depot of Clermont, giving you peace of mind for every e-bike adventure.